Welcome to Omizer Tech, your number one YouTube channel for everything tutorial tech review. We got you. Today I will be teaching you how to do proper keyword research even as a newbie, and how to rank with such keyword. You know, keyword is one of the basic and one of the most important things when it comes to content writing and SEO. If you want to rank your article, if you want to rank your blog, you must definitely do keyword research. And today I'll be teaching you from scratch what keyword research is all about and all the rest of the stuff about keyword. Like I promised to make this tutorial newbie friendly, I'll be explaining in total what keyword research is all about, the definition and what it entails from the scratch, before diving into the main keyword research and how to do keyword research. Keyword research is a process by which you make research of some keywords, might be popular, might not be popular keywords, and write them, put them strategically on your site to get traffic from search engines such as Google and Bing and all the rest. Keyword research help you rank your article on search engine. It's part of search engine optimization, that is SEO, that professionals do. There are many tools out there for keyword research, some great tools, some average, and the rest. We have SEMrush, we have Ahrefs, we have Moz, we have Winker, and we have RankIQ keywords, and lots of them. Ubersuggest, or both paid and free versions are keys. There are tools in the market that can be used for keyword research. But in this tutorial, I'll be using SEMrush, one of the best keyword research tool, one of the best SEO analysis tool you will ever come across, and I'm using the paid version in order to get full access to everything that has to do with keyword research with SEMrush. SEMrush is very cheap and you can process it, or you can also use the free version of it for now while you follow up this tutorial. We're first starting with domain evaluation to really check the domain, what the domain now is, the data behind the domain and how old the domain is, and we're using SEMrush to do it. So here's the paid version of SEMrush, and I'll first start with checking the data behind the data behind Naroland, a very popular Nigerian forum. So we'll be checking with it. You also, if you check the right sidebar, the sidebar of SEMrush, you see most of the tools and most of the things you can use SEMrush to do. So let's check Naroland and see the data Naroland has. As you can see, Naroland has page authority of 65, 2.5 million organic search keywords, and the rest of other stuff. If you scroll down, you see the keyword, you see the traffic, you see where it's coming from. That's the power of SEMrush, and that's the power of SEO. You know the evaluation of your domain and the keywords behind it. If you can check, you can also see the backlink. So now let's look at the keywords overview. When you mean keyword overview, means it's simply telling you the data behind a particular keyword. So let's allow you to load. You see the keyword naroland.com. Look at the data behind it. The keyword difficulty 51. That means you shouldn't try it if your domain authority doesn't carry it. So now let's search another keyword. You see, this is a simple search on the keyword how to drive a car. How to drive a car has over 1.2 daily monthly searches, with the difficulty put at 66% difficulty. That's to tell you the keyword is difficult, and there are a lot of top gurus, top dogs that are already using that keyword, which means it will be difficult for you to really rank with that keyword. So if you want to rank any keyword, the first thing you do is check the difficulty check what it entails about, the data behind it, check the monthly statistic, the monthly search you do get, and the monthly visit you do get. Let's also check another keyword, best restaurants in the UK. This is a keyword, you can also check it. So we're checking best restaurants in the UK to see the data and everything it entails about. Yo, yeah, we are there. The search volume for best restaurants in the UK in Nigeria is 10, while global is 6.9. Let's say over 7k search volume on the keyword. You can also change a country of your choice. Like what this means is you're changing the country that is searching that particular keyword. You're changing the country that is searching best restaurants in the UK. Let's put it in USA and see the data it brings out. The people that search best restaurants in the UK. Let's check. Let's wait. It's loading. Yeah. This is all the data for best restaurants in New York. As you can see, the difficulty and the search volume for a month has increased. Unlike when we search it with Nigerian as a focus, the data pertaining to US has increased, and the sites that are ranking at least from 1 to 10. That's to tell you the search volume in the US for best best restaurants in New York has increased. And that's to tell you nobody is searching from Nigeria the best restaurants in UK. Nobody's searching there. They are searching in US, and the difficulty for you to rank in that particular keyword is very high. This is the volume. This is other related keywords. SEMrush will also give you related keywords that you can also search, the volume and the rest of other stuff. The data behind those keywords are given. And again, let's search a different keyword like best Nigerian restaurants in New York as a keyword. Let's search and see the volume of such keyword. With that particular keyword, let's compare it to other keyword we've searched. Wow, as you can see, there's nobody searching for this keyword. So if you use that keyword, if you write on that keyword, you definitely rank, but without any search. You will not get any search. Nobody will search it. Nobody will search about it. Nobody will even search it on any search engine because nobody is searching for it. Keyword research is not something too difficult to do. It only becomes more easier when you have the right source, the right tools, and everything you need. As a writer and as a blog owner, as a blogger, in order to rank high, apart from the main other SEO component you need to implement in your site, in order to rank, you have to do keyword research. And to do keyword research is simple as ABC. You can do keyword research for a particular keyword and be ranking when you search it with your phone, but you will not rank. You will not get any traffic with that keyword research, but you are ranking on search engine. The simple thing that just happened is you are ranking for a keyword no one is searching. There are many ways to get your keyword. Take it to an overview tool, search the overview data behind the particular keyword, and it's either you write on it. If the search volume and the difficulty is favorable to you and you know you can rank on it, you write on it. So I'll be showing you, and it's a highlight of this tutorial, how to get this keyword and how to evaluate them and rank on it. Here's how I get my keywords with high search volume and low difficulty. This is what makes a keyword research successful. I'll show you how I do it. I simply go to Google search bar, click on the particular keyword, click on a random keyword like best schools in Nigeria, for example, then scroll down to related searches, copy it. After copying it, take it to SEMrush and also search the paste it on keyword on SEMrush and hit the search button. If you check, you can see the difficulty is 0. There's no difficulty for this kind of keyword, and at least the search volume for the keyword top 20 best secondary school in Nigeria is 240 for global and 240 for Nigerian, which I'm targeting as a country. So if you check it, you will check other data, you see other suggestions, you see other volumes. This is how I do my own keyword. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bar as I keep posting and giving you videos on keyword research, backlink building, backlink analysis, domain.